Have you ever wondered how much it costs to live full-time in an RV? More and more people are swapping their brick-and-mortar homes for a life on the open road. Welcome to the RV lifestyle, a growing trend that's capturing the hearts of adventure seekers, remote workers, and retirees alike. It's about freedom and flexibility, the ability to wake up to a new view every morning, to follow the weather, or to simply go where the wind takes you. It's a life less ordinary, where every day offers a new experience and the chance to explore the diverse landscapes that our world has to offer. This lifestyle isn't just about travel, it's about a sense of community, a simpler life, and the joy of the journey. But the question remains, what is the actual cost of living full-time in an RV? The first cost to consider is the initial investment. Now, this is where the rubber really meets the road. You've got a whole host of options in front of you when it comes to choosing your RV, and the price tag can vary as much as the models themselves. On one end of the spectrum, we have the compact and cozy travel trailers. These little gems can start as low as $10,000, but don't let the price fool you. They're often packed with all the essentials you'll need for life on the road. Moving up a notch, we find the Class C motorhomes. These mid-range homes on wheels typically range from $40,000 to $100,000. They offer more space and amenities, making them a popular choice for full-time RV living. At the top of the range, we have the luxurious Class A motorhomes. These beauties can cost anywhere from $100,000 to a staggering $1 million. They're essentially rolling mansions, equipped with high-end appliances, plush furnishings, and often a king-size bed. Now let's talk new versus used. A shiny new RV can be tantalizing, with its modern features and the allure of being the first owner. However, it also comes with a hefty price tag and the instant depreciation the moment you drive it off the lot. On the flip side, a used RV can offer significant savings, although it may come with a few more miles on the odometer and possibly some wear and tear. But with a good inspection and a bit of patience, you can find a used RV that's just as good as new. And don't forget financing. This can be a great way to break up the cost of your RV into manageable monthly payments. However, be mindful of the potential interest costs. Over the life of a loan, these can add up to a substantial amount, making your RV more expensive in the long run. The initial investment is a significant part, but it's just the beginning of the journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the monthly expenses of full-time RV living in our next scene. After the initial purchase, you'll have your regular monthly expenses. You see, living in an RV isn't just about the open road and beautiful vistas. It's also about managing the cost of that freedom. First up, let's talk about RV parks and campgrounds. They're your home away from home, where you park your RV, connect to utilities, and rest your weary head. Costs can vary widely, from a budget-friendly $10 a night at a basic campground to over $50 for a luxury RV resort with all the amenities. Next is the fuel. The amount you'll spend on fuel depends on the size of your RV, how much you drive, and the current price of gas or diesel. A good rule of thumb? Expect to pay more than you would for a typical car, and remember that fuel prices can fluctuate greatly from place to place. Now, let's move to utilities. Just like a traditional home, your RV needs electricity and water. Some campgrounds include these in the site fee, but not always. When they're not included, expect to pay around $10 per day for electricity and about the same for water. But remember, these costs can vary widely depending on where you're parked and how much you're using. And lastly, in this connected world, we can't forget about the internet. Most full-time RVers require a reliable internet connection, whether for work, staying in touch with loved ones, or binge-watching your favorite shows. Costs here can range from $20 for a basic plan to over $100 for unlimited high-speed data. Add it all up, and you'll find that the cost of living in an RV can be as variable as the places you'll visit. It's important to factor in these monthly expenses when planning your RV lifestyle. These monthly expenses are necessary to keep your RV home functional and comfortable. So, as you plan your journey, remember that the freedom of the open road comes with its own set of costs. Just like a traditional home, an RV requires regular maintenance and occasional repairs. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of RV upkeep. First off, routine maintenance is a must. Similar to your car, your RV needs regular oil changes. Depending on your RV's size and engine type, This could range from $50 to $150 every 3 to 5,000 miles. Tire replacements are another crucial aspect. Given the weight they carry and the distances they cover, RV tires need to be in top shape. Expect to shell out anywhere from $200 to $500 per tire, depending on your RV's specific requirements. Next up, servicing. From checking the brakes and batteries to ensuring the plumbing and electrical systems are functioning smoothly, periodic servicing is key. This might set you back between $200 and $400 each time. Remember, these costs can vary depending on your RV's size, age, and overall condition. But what about those unexpected major repairs? A blown engine, a leaky roof, or a faulty air conditioner can hit your wallet hard. These can cost upwards of $1,000, sometimes even reaching into the five-figure territory. It's vital to set aside a contingency fund for these unexpected hiccups. For those who prefer a safety net, extended warranties or roadside assistance programs may be a good investment. These can range from a few hundred to over $1,000 a year, depending on the coverage level. They can provide peace of mind by covering many repair costs and offering assistance if you break down on the road. In a nutshell, maintaining an RV is not just about keeping it looking spick and span. It's about ensuring its longevity, optimizing its performance, and above all, safeguarding your safety while you're out there, exploring the open road. Maintenance and repairs are essential to keep your RV in good shape and ensure your safety on the road. So factor these costs into your budget as you embark on your RV lifestyle adventure. Another cost to consider is insurance and registration. When it comes to RV insurance, costs can fluctuate widely. This is because the price is influenced by several factors such as the value of your RV, where it's registered, and how you intend to use it. For instance, if your RV is your full-time residence, the insurance rate might be higher compared to using it for occasional road trips. On the other hand, the cost of RV registration isn't uniform either. It varies by state. Some states may charge a flat fee, while others might base the fee on the weight or age of the RV. It's crucial to check with your local Department of Motor Vehicles to get an accurate estimate. Remember, while these costs might seem like an extra burden on your budget, they serve a crucial role. Insurance and registration are not only necessary, but they also provide peace of mind. Finally, there are the miscellaneous costs. It's easy to overlook these, but they can add to your overall expenditure. Let's start with laundry. If you don't have a washer-dryer in your RV, you'll be using laundromats, which can be a small but regular expense. Next, consider propane. This fuels your stove, oven, and sometimes your heating. While not a huge cost, it's consistent and fluctuates with the market price. Then we have activities and entertainment. These could range from a day at a national park to a night at a local concert. The cost varies greatly depending on your lifestyle. But here's the good news. You can reduce these costs by making smart choices. Opt for free activities like hiking or exploring local attractions. Cook at home more often to save on propane. Remember, these miscellaneous costs add up, so it's important to budget for them. It's all part of the full-time RV living experience. And with careful planning, you can keep it affordable and enjoyable. So, how much does it really cost to live full-time in an RV? This question has many answers, and they all depend on your personal choices and circumstances. We've delved into the initial investment of buying an RV, which can range from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of dollars. We've examined the monthly expenses from campground fees to utilities, groceries, and internet. We've discussed the often overlooked costs of maintenance and repairs. We've highlighted the necessity of insurance and registration and the miscellaneous costs that can spring up unexpectedly. The costs can add up, but remember, this is not just a vehicle. It's your home, your office, your getaway. It's freedom and adventure on wheels. And while it comes with its own set of expenses, many find the lifestyle worth every penny. Living full-time in an RV can be a cost-effective and rewarding lifestyle, but it's important to understand and plan for the costs associated with it.